All right, this is chapter 18, accounting for leases, and we're going to start with exercise 18-1. And this one is going to be allocating the payments. One of the things that has happened in our world, as our world has gotten more complex, is that contracts are often based on two aspects, a physical aspect or a purchase type aspect, and then a service type aspect. And so we have to, when we have a combined lease like that encompasses everything, what might be called a turnkey lease, then we have to break up those leases into the revenue components. And so in this case, we have a computer where we're leasing servers, and we're also getting consulting and training, and that lease is for a 5-year period. So the way we do this is we take the cost of the servers, the standalone cost. If we were just to buy them, it would be $850,000, and the consulting and training would be a total cost of $150,000. So we take the $850,000 and the $150,000 for the consulting and training. Add those together, we get $1 million. And so we have to prorate this. So 850,000 divided by 1 million would equal 85%. And 150,000 divided by 1 million would be 15%. All right. So now in this problem, the lease is for 5 years with fixed payments of 300,000. Plus there are also variable payments required amounting to $7,000 a year average based upon the metered usage of the servers. Now that charge is not part of the lease per se. I mean, it's in the lease contract, but it's not part of the value of the lease. That's on an overage usage or something like that. And so we don't include that in the total lease price. The $7,000 per year does not go into the total lease price. So what we do is we take the 85%, we take the 300,000 a year, and we multiply for that times the 5-year lease. So the total lease cost is 850 or 85% times 1,500,000. That's 300,000 a year times 5 years, and the same with the 15% times 1,500,000. And so we multiply that out, and we end up with $1,500,000. $1,275,000 will be allocated to the servers, and then the 1,500,000 times 0.15, 225,000 will be allocated to the consulting and training portion of this. And then we divide that by 5, each of those by 5. And so that will be 45,000 a year will go towards the consulting and training. And divide that one by 5, 255,000 will go towards the servers on that one. So that gives us the total consideration and the computer servers and consulting update. So all right, so that is problem exercise 18-1.